Introducing the Fancy Cup, the best cup for your coldest drink. The Fancy Cup is better. It keeps things colder longer. Your regular old cup is not as good as the Fancy Cup. This simple plastic cup has ice in it, but quickly that ice turns to water. Warm, room temperature water. What do we say to warm water? We say, thumbs down. We want cold water. The old cup just isn't as good. Oh, you have a paper cup. Yes, a paper cup. Well, it will also let your ice melt. We don't want a paper cup. We want a fancy cup. It's better. It stays colder, longer. You put your ice in the fancy cup. You add your favorite beverage. Here we are adding our favorite beverage. This is so tasty and so cold, and it tastes so much better when it's cold. In the fancy cup, it will stay colder longer, and that's better. Put the lid on the fancy cup and watch your ice stay ice. Thumbs up to the fancy cup. The fancy cup is better. How do we know the fancy cup is better? You know the fancy cup is better. You know this for a fact because it is on the internet. Yes, you've seen it right here on the internet, so it's got to be true. The fancy cup is better, keeping colder longer, and we just told you that the fancy cup is better. We just told you the fancy cup is better. What more evidence do you need? It keeps your drink colder longer. It keeps your drink colder for a longer time. The fancy cup stays colder longer. It's better.